Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the deep blue iPhone 17 Pro Max. I tried getting the orange one, but it was sold out before I even got into the pre-order line, if you will. But this looks pretty sweet as well. I know some people like the orange and some people are hating on the orange. So, of course, not much in here. We'll come back to the phone in just a second. So you have your nice braided cable, and we have some paperwork there, but nothing too crazy, of course. Here is the blue. Now this is a very nice color, I would say. So you have a little bit, two different colored blues. I should say this is a little bit of a blue gray, and this is like a deep blue, the rest of it there. Of course, the rails are the same color. And this is definitely a heavier phone though. I know they went back up in weight from last couple of years. I'm gonna take this off because now it is aluminum and not titanium anymore. It was the last 2 years. Take a look around it. So we have our camera button, our power button, our giant 5G guy there, which I know some reviewers were commenting on. To me, it looks just fine. It looks like the same color as, similar color as that. Our action button, our volume rocker, speaker grills, USB-C. Of course, this new giant visor here, kind of taken after the Googles, but even bigger. I know it houses a whole bunch of stuff. Is that like the LiDAR or something like that? Flash, of course, 3 cameras. I think this is a very nice color. This is a very premium looking color, I would say. I think a lot of people are going to say the orange is too much. This, I think, is quite nice. The nice deep blue. You guys let me know what you think though. Stay tuned. We make a whole bunch of videos on this with comparisons. Here is the air next to it. There's like half this thickness. Crazy. And the regular 17, which honestly side by side doesn't look that much thinner. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.